In the vibrant world of Indian cinema, few stars shine as brightly as this achiever. With over 5 decades and more than 300 films, he has earned the nickname Pranay Raja due to his spectacular success in romantic movies during the 70s, a title that remains with him to this day. He has captivated audiences with his versatile acting and commanding presence, leaving an indelible mark on the industry.
His journey began with a memorable guest appearance in the iconic movie Lagna Patrike, starring Dr. Rajkumar Garu in 1966. His talent and charisma quickly caught the eye of S.K. Achari Garu, who introduced him as a protagonist in the beloved Madhura Milana in 1969. However, the true turning point in his illustrious career came in 1975 with the release of Shubha Mangala, directed by the legendary Puttana Kanagal. This film not only catapulted him to stardom, but also solidified his place in the hearts of millions. His legacy continues to shine brightly, and his films remain as timeless classics cherished by generations to come.
Today, we feel immensely proud and honored to present the Lifetime Achievement Award to Srinath Sir. Ladies and gentlemen, please join us in applauding Srinath Sir for his extraordinary contributions to the world of cinema.
And to present this award, I'd like to please invite on stage B.R. Lakshmanan Rao Garu.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Srinath Sir.
Thank you, sir.
I feel happy and proud to present this award to my dear Srinath.
A big round of applause, please. An incredibly illustrious career, and Filmfare is honored to be presenting this award to him here today.
I can say a few words. ಇದು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಕೊಡೋ ದಿನ. ಜೀವಮಾನದ ಸಾಧನೆ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಜೀವಮಾನದ ಸಾಧನೆ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆಗುವಂತಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನು 10 ವರ್ಷ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ಫೇರ್ನವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನು. ಇದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ 2ನೇ ಅವಾರ್ಡು. 77ನೇ ಇಸ್ವಿಲಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ರ್ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಇದು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಒಂದಂತೂ ನಿಜ, ಆ ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೂ ಈ ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೂ, ಆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೀರೋಯಿನ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಭಾರವಾಗಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಈಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೀರೋಯಿನ್ಗಳು ಸಣ್ಣಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಆವಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲೇಡಿ ಒಂದು 15 ಕೆ ಜಿ ಇತ್ತದು, ಇವಾಗ 1.5 ಕೆ ಜಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಲ ಆಯ್ತ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಇದು ಬದಲಾಗಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ನನ್ನ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಇಡೀ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜನಾಂಗ ನನ್ನ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಇಟ್ಟು 56 ವರ್ಷ ಬೆಳೆಸಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದ ವಂದನೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಈ 56 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ 53 ವರ್ಷ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಪಾಪ ಅದು ಏನೇನು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಲು ಏನೋ, ದಿವಸ ನಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅವಳು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇರ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಅವಳಿಗೂ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಅವಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ, ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು, ನನ್ನ ಅಳಿಯ, ನನ್ನ ಸೊಸೆ, ನನ್ನ ಮೊಮ್ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ, ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಚಿತ್ರರಂಗ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು. Ladies and gentlemen, I am so happy today to receive this a beautiful award, Lifetime Achievement Award for me. As I told in Kannada, if they give me Lifetime Achievement Award, that doesn't mean that I should retire. It encourages me to work for another 10 years. So I will do work for 10 years. My thanks goes to my director, my guru, S.R. Puttana Kanagal, who made me what I am today. He taught me, look, success or failure, you should not lose your heart. As an artist, I want you to be an artist, not an actor. You be an artist, not an actor. That is the world which he taught me, and he presented me in various shades in the films. And that's how the entire Karnataka, they have loved me. Even today, at this age, they still call me Pranay Raja. They want me to love. I love them, I love them, I love them as my own people, my own children. I love them, and thanks a lot for everyone. ಇಡೀ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಜನ ನಿಮಗೆ ನನ್ನ ವಂದನೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.